Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix a Dell laptop touchpad not working in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If your Dell laptop touchpad has stopped working in Windows 11, there are a few steps you can take to resolve this issue. First, we will check the touchpad settings directly within Windows. Open the Windows search bar and type Touchpad. Select Touchpad Settings from the search results. Inside the Touchpad settings, you should find a toggle switch. Ensure this switch is turned on. For many users, simply enabling this option will immediately restore touchpad functionality. If enabling the touchpad setting does not resolve the problem, the next step involves checking your device drivers. Again, use the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Open the Touchpad Device Manager application. Once Device Manager is open, you need to locate and expand the Human Interface Devices section. You can also expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section for additional options. Within these sections, you will likely find entries labeled HID Compliant Mouse. HID stands for Human Interface Device. It is important to update the drivers for these entries. Right-click on each HID Compliant Mouse entry and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. Repeat this process for all relevant mouse entries to ensure all your pointing devices have the latest drivers. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.